What's up guys? What's up YouTube? In this video, I would like to share the landing gears for my Mini 2. So this one is the old landing gear for my Mini 2. I have a new landing gear for my Mini 2. But this one, I will show you guys the appearance of the Mini 2 when I install this. This is very easy to install. As you can see, there's some locking mechanisms here on the side, in the front. Locking mechanism here on the side of the Mini 2. Just easy to install. Just have to slide it there. When you hear the clicking sound, meaning it's already locked in place, so you're already good to go. So look at this, guys. So this is my old landing gear for my Mini 2. Looks cool, looks beautiful, adds stability for some landing, and additional ground clearance, guys, for the gimbal. Additional protection for the gimbal. Yeah, look at this, guys. Looks cool, and it adds more stability and ground clearance for the protection of camera or gimbal. Yeah, nice. Look at this, guys. Nice. And I will show you guys also my newly purchased landing gear. This one is spider landing gear. Looks really cool. I think looks more beautiful than this one, because it has adjustable legs. But these guys, very beautiful. It has some kind of a sort of gear here for some adjustment. See here, some gear, some adjustment. Looks really cool. So here, so you can adjust the legs, its angle. Looks really cool. This is from Sunny Life. Model number is LG landing gear 380. LG 380 spider landing gear, guys. So I bought this from Lazada, Philippines. So very nice looking. Also the locking mechanism here. There's a locking mechanism here. Also at the side of the Mini 2 here. There's one. It should be locked in place here at the vent here, and there's a locking mechanism here, notch here. So very easy to install also. It's just a no-brainer to install. Very easy. Clicking sound also. Yeah, you got it. That's it. The click sound, guys, it means it's already locked in place. So I guess this one looks cool than the previous landing gear. This one, the old landing gear. Look at this. Very nice looking. Beautiful. Looks like a bug. Look at this. Look at this Mini 2. More beautiful. Looks nice and beautiful, guys, than the old one, right? This one is very simple. Looks like you know the from the ice skating or ski. But this one looks really cool. Look at this. I think it's really cool when you fly it. Look at those legs. Look at those legs, guys. Very nice. So the ground clearance looks very promising, guys. Look, I think this is much taller than this old one. Yeah, much taller. Nice. Very nice. Very good for when you land on some gravel and some grass. You know, it adds more clearance, stability, and you have peace of mind. You have a peace of mind that your aircraft will not be damaged. Will not be damaged by some grass and other stuff that could ruin the, you know, the camera, the gimbal, and the entire drone. But this very nice. I love this. I love this landing gear a lot than this one. Looks very nice. So give this video a thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell when you subscribe, and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up or like this video, guys. And it's still raining today, so I could not be able to test those or these landing gears, but it looks very cool. Looks very nice. Sunny Life. This one, I don't know the brand of this. I think also Sunny Life. Nice, very nice. I love this. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to the channel. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.